guys, how you doing? I just wanted to show first off how we've cleaned up this area. I don't know, from previous videos, we'll show a clip of it as part of this video, but this area was a bit of a mess. We had the grinder like in the middle of the shop floor. If you take a look here, that little vacuum over my shoulder, that was all over the place. So we now found a home for the grinder. Where is it now? There it is. There it is. There she is, right there. And obviously we've cleaned up where all the cables are running. So just moving on, I wanted to take you through our new cutting center. What we've basically done as part of our lean project here, one of our big ones for this year, was set up this cutting center. So we have this saw here for non-metal items. We cut all sorts of stuff, plastic. I guess you could do wood. We don't do wood, but plastic, carbon fiber, anything that nature. And then if we go over here, this is for all our metal cutting needs. We also have a general purpose bandsaw. We use for some odder materials, for some larger materials. This all replaced a general purpose bandsaw that I'll show you in a minute. Okay, this is the bandsaw that we basically used to use to cut all our stock. As Brian said, it was a dinosaur that we pulled out of the tar pit. We're not really sure if we're going to ever use it again. I put a little sticky note on it, giving it a date. If we never use it in a year from now, we're going to get rid of it. It's still a pretty functional piece of equipment though, but like most general purpose pieces of equipment, it's pretty tricky to set up. It wasn't that consistent on the cuts. You know, it just took forever for people to use while they were manhandling stock and trying to get things cut. So now we've upgraded this whole system. I have this set up to do some cuts. One of the primary things we have right there is the stop. That stop is, you can adjust it for any length of material, and that way all your material is the exact same length, and we can crank through 50 parts in what used to take, you know, a day. We can do it in, you know, half an hour or something. Okay, Brian's adjusting the stop right now so that we get everything at, what, 4 1/16 inch?
Yep.
So each piece is perfectly identical. Okay, now we get to the fun part where we get to hack up some hunks of steel. Go for it, Brian. So now we have the next piece perfectly identical to the piece that we just cut. There you go, 2 perfectly identical pieces. All right, so let's just do a quick overview of the cutting stations that we've set up. The one behind me is for non-metal parts, carbon fiber, plastic. We do quite a bit of both. And the one right here is for metal parts. We went from a slow, inconsistent, unwieldy process with one bandsaw to 3 specialized machines. Really cut the time from probably 1 or 2 days for cutting blanks for parts down to half an hour, and we get much more consistent product. So this is just another method that Quick Prototype Parts uses to get parts into your hands more rapidly and more efficiently. Thank you.